Welcome back to the video tutorial on how to edit your website. This specific lesson is entitled Creating Rollover Buttons. For this lesson, you're going to need to either have the images created, have someone create them, of course we can do that for you, or have images that are already on another website that you can modify or whatever. But you're going to need two different buttons for the same two different images for the same button, a rollover version and a non-rollover version. Go ahead and log in. What we're going to do is create a page like we showed in the previous lesson. We're going to call this tutorials, and then create. And then in this case we're going to insert an image. Choose the browse button. Of course, we're going to need to upload the images. I'm going to do 3 buttons, which will take 6 images. What we'll do is select all 6, and you see all 6 in the list here. Go ahead and upload to server. They're fairly small buttons size-wise, so they shouldn't take too long to upload. And these images I've chosen to use are JPEGs. Once it's finished, close the window, then insert the first button, which in this case is going to be page 1, and insert, and then we'll insert the next button, which is cleverly named as page 2, and the next button shockingly named 3. Okay, you've got 3 buttons here now. The buttons are too close together, so one thing that you can do is click on the middle button, hit insert image, go to appearance, and add some horizontal space on the outside of it. In this case we'll go ahead and add 10, hit update, and you'll see that it's evenly spaced everywhere. Then go ahead and center that. Click on your first image, and then you're going to click on the image button at the top. You're going to click on appearance, advanced actually, and you're going to check the box that says alternative image, and for mouse over you want to choose the secondary image. In this case it is a brighter version of it, and then of course you want to go with the when your mouse out, choose the image so it goes back to the first one, and hit update. Do the same thing with the second one. Advanced tab, check the box alternative image, click the browse button, scroll down, choose image 2, I'm sorry, forgot the last step, advance, and go for mouse out, choose the original image, update, and do the whole thing again. Advanced tab, check the box, browse, scroll down, choose the second image, and then for the mouse out, when you move your mouse back off of the button, you're going to go to the original image, update, and when you're finished, hit save. And so my menu isn't broken. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the make a payment button like we did in the last tutorial. Showing menu off, save. Then we go to the front of the site and verify everything looks good. So refresh, click on tutorials, and there are the images. Now they're laying right against the top and the bottom, so I'm going to put some space in there. Go back to tutorials page. Basically just clicking on the first image and putting space, second image, hitting the right arrow and hitting enter a couple times to put some spacing in there, and save. Come back to this page, refresh, and didn't take effect. So basically what we'll need to do is add some vertical space. There's another way to do it. Update. Actually, I made a mistake and put it in the horizontal space. Vertical space. There we go. Save and refresh. Okay, now to test the rollover, just move your mouse over it and you'll see it highlights the color. Basically it swaps the image to the version that you want. Now if you notice there's no hand on it, and that's basically because we haven't set a link to it yet, and we'll do that in the next tutorial. But that's basically how the rollover effects work. Some people call it image swap, but basically it's a rollover button that we've created. And that concludes the lesson. See you next time.